Hello guys, this is Rocket 3D and today we are going to make this Batman, or for you, whatever you want, articulated. So as you can see here, I have a ruler that is, that is set for everything is based off its midpoint. So it should say for you, like, endpoint right there. Right there, it should be say add point. Well, right here, we're going to be making this Batman. So here, we're going to take this. I'll have links to this and these and the Batman I used in the description. So we take this, we center it. I'm centering it manually. I don't know why. I just did. So, yeah. So now we have this right in the middle here. So you've probably seen all of the like articulated stuff and all that. They're like all perfectly spaced out and they look amazing and all that. Well, we're going to be making this articulated today. And you can do this with any other thing on Tinkercad. So we have this right here. You can see right there. Now we're gonna duplicate it, and now we're going to we have to offset it. So this is where it's at. I'm going to wait. I'm going to undo that. This guy, I just forgot. You can just set it to center, but that's not center. 0.5, negative 0.5. There we go. Now it's right on the center, right there. You can see, perfectly aligned. Now, go and duplicate it. We're going to change this number right here by 14. So we're going to do negative 14.5. Boom. Now we have another little line. And what these are going to do is they're going to be the like little marks for you to put in your articulated stuff. So now we're going to grab this again and we're going to go boom, duplicate it. Then we're going to do it again. And then I just forgot. I'm going to make this a bit bigger so that it works out a bit better. Now let's center this again. There we go, centered. Right on. Okay, so look, now I have all these. Now I go over to here again. I want to duplicate it again. And this one, instead of going negative 14, I want it to be 14 to the right. So I'm in the positive direction. So I'm going to do 13.5 here. Now look at that. Now it's right here. Now we duplicate it again and again. Now we have all that, and I don't really want this middle part right here because it's going to make the middle a little weird for this Batman, but you can keep the middle if you want, but I don't want it, so I'm going to delete it like that. And now all of these, you can either shift click all of them or you can drag over them to select all of them. Then this button up here, this is the group button, or you can do Control G. I'm going to click it. So now look, now we have these lines. So now we're going to do something here. We're going to grab this right here, and you want to make it so that this little part shows, and then this is like barely inside. So I'm going to edit this right here just to make it so that it looks a bit cleaner right in the center. Oh, I accidentally did the size. Okay, so we're going to do 73.75, negative 73.75. Now let's check out that. Is that in good? Almost good. We're going to edit this a little bit more. Negative 73.60. Do that. A bit too far. Negative 73.65. How does that look? Just inside. Just inside. That's perfect. I got it right there. So now, make sure to select both of them. Don't be weird like me and forget a piece. So now you're going to drag it over here, and look, you see this line right here that we made? You're going to want to get your hole just against that. So I'm going to change this number a little bit. Negative 20.75. Too far. Negative 20.15. That's more. Okay, negative 20.5. Negative 20.20. 25. Not quite. We're going to do negative 20.2, which is negative 20.20. Still not quite. Negative 20 point. Let's do 23. 24. 25. Try that. No. Negative 20.30. Sorry, I'm spending a lot of time dilly-dallying. Okay, that looks about good. As you can see, you want to get this line right against this line. I'm going to need to do some more editing. Hello guys. Right about here, I forgot to tell you that with the joint, you're probably going to want to place it right in the middle. It'll make it look better, it'll make it work better. I just forgot to tell you, and I forgot to do it. Just wanted to make sure you knew. That's all. So it's going to be something like negative 20.35. Might be different for you. I mean, negative 20.40 or zero point 0.4. Okay, as you can see there, it's right on the line. Perfectly on. So now, after spending a lot of time doing something that's just getting everything to look really good, it should look something like this, and it should be on your left side right here. Now you're going to duplicate it, and now you're going to change this number by 14 right here. So that would be negative 34.4. There you go. Now you got it again. Now you just click this duplicate button again, and look at that. Boom. So now you grab this, and you want to set it to, now you're going to grab both of both of them. Click and click and duplicate it, and then set this to 20.40, so the positive number of it. Oh, I forgot. So you have to get this, and you're gonna have to set to 14. Try that. Oh, wait a sec. I forgot. So you have to flip it horizontally. Let's see here. Done. Oh, yeah. So we go right here. And we spin it around a bit. Hold the shift key to get it exactly. Still that much. Let's set to negative 10. Wait, no. Like 10. So you, again, want to get this right there. So let's change this to 4. Wait, no. 11. 12. Okay, so like 11.5. Almost there, as you can see. It's not quite, but close. So we're doing 11.40. And that is just perfect. As you can see, you can see the hole through it. So that's what we need. Now we're going to do the duplicate thing again. What? I guess 11.40. Have this. That's strange. I don't know why it did that and brought it over there. But now we're going to change this to by 14. So now it should be let's see here, 25.4 for me. It could be different for you. And look, now we change, and now we should be able to duplicate it, and yep, it works. Now, here comes the part where you're about done. So, as you can see, this looks a little weird. Like if I were to go and 3D print this or something, it would look weird because this is going to be standing out. So right here, I'm going to quickly grab this and make it tall enough so that, look, they're like the exact same height. So now, I grab this. You're probably going to want to shift this unless somehow you can drag them all without grabbing weirdly. And now you grab the Batman. Make sure not to grab the red things. Now you group them. And now look, it's a perfect hole right there. Look at that. It's perfect. It's a perfect hole. It's amazing. Now, you do here is, you can see they're like perfectly lined up. You want to get that perfectly lined up sort of thing. And it should, don't be worried if it overlaps a little bit. That's what it's supposed to do. And make sure, that's to make sure that it gets on. So that looks good. Now you can either shift click or drag all of them. Now you group them. And now look. Now they're all the same thing. I'm just going to set them to black because that's the way it should be. And now you have it. There it is. Boom. You're done. Hey guys, hope you had fun doing that. That spent me a while to work on. And so please subscribe and help me out. And yeah, hope you had a fun time. Goodbye.